Introducing the Tohnichi DOT300N-MD Torque Tester, a robust and reliable tool designed to measure torque values with utmost precision. Manufactured by the renowned brand Tohnichi, this torque tester offers exceptional performance and durability, making it an indispensable tool for quality control and testing applications. With a wide torque range of 30 to 300 Newton meters, the 300N-MD Torque Tester can accommodate various fastening applications, ensuring precise and accurate measurements. The analog dial display provides clear and easy-to-read results, allowing you to quickly assess torque values. This torque tester is specifically designed for clockwise testing, making it ideal for applications where tightening is done in a clockwise direction. The mechanical loading device enables smooth and precise torque application, enhancing the accuracy and consistency of measurements. The Tohnichi 300N-MD Torque Tester is a valuable asset for professionals seeking precise and dependable torque measurements. Its wide torque range, analog dial display, and mechanical loading device make it an ideal choice for quality control, testing, and assembly applications. To learn more about the Tohnichi 300N-MD Torque Tester or to place an order, visit our website at flexibleassembly.com. Our on-staff assembly tool experts are available to answer your technical questions and help you find the right torque tester for your needs.